There's been such a build-up and anticipation the past few days as all the athletes have been arriving. This really is the beginning.
To be here over in the Gold Coast representing Wales is pretty special.
It's there, he's got it overhead, he is in the lead. Keep it together guys, you've got one more.
Oh no, here it is! Gareth Evans wins the gold for Wales.
Oliver, the wild card, came through for the silver.
Barker has dominated this race. A convincing gold medal victory for Eleanor Barker.
Wow, that looked good.
4 metres 86, it's a personal best, a new games record and a gold medal to Olivia Breen from Wales.
Really good effort by Alex Marshall, but Wales have won the gold medal.
Davis takes the bronze. It's the walk of her life.
She's done it! That's Evans throws her racket up. Can't believe it. First lady ever from Wales to get a bronze medal.
I can't believe that. She's done it with the very last throw.
There is no doubt about our gold medalist here in a games record time. This for the gold medal. It's a 10. Well, I don't think the tears are very far from the eyes. He's very emotional.
And there's the celebration, smiles.
Lauren Price has got there.
In favour of the red corner.
What an achievement at 19 years old.